Welcome to the ultimate showcase of luxury on wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Blue Bird Luxury Motorhome, a Class A RV that redefines what it means to travel in style. This isn't just any motorhome, it's one of the most expensive and feature-packed RVs ever built, designed for those who demand nothing but the best. At first glance, the exterior of the 2025 Blue Bird is absolutely stunning. With its glossy black finish, sleek aerodynamic design, and high-end detailing, this motorhome commands attention wherever it goes. Blue Bird has always been known for its durability and craftsmanship, and this model is no exception. The body is built with top-tier materials, offering both strength and elegance. Integrated LED lighting lines the sides, enhancing its modern aesthetic while also providing practical visibility for night travel. The massive tinted panoramic windows not only add to its sleek look, but also provide a glimpse into the luxury that awaits inside. Stepping inside, you're immediately welcomed into a world of comfort and sophistication. The interior feels more like a high-end penthouse than a motorhome. Premium leather upholstery, real wood finishes, and high-gloss cabinetry set the tone for an ultra-luxurious experience. The open floor plan creates a spacious feel with a perfect balance of function and aesthetics. The lighting system is fully customizable, allowing you to set the mood with ambient LED accents throughout the cabin. The living area is designed for both relaxation and entertainment. A massive 75-inch 4K smart TV is seamlessly integrated into the wall, paired with a state-of-the-art surround sound system. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just streaming your favorite shows, the experience is nothing short of cinematic. Plush reclining seats with built-in massage and heating functions ensure maximum comfort during long road trips. For added convenience, an automated coffee bar and a hidden liquor cabinet elevate the experience even further. Moving into the kitchen, it's clear that this motorhome is built for those who enjoy fine dining, even on the road. The gourmet kitchen features high-end appliances, including a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a built-in wine cooler. The marble countertops provide plenty of prep space, and the deep sink with a high-tech touchless faucet adds a level of convenience. Ample storage ensures that you can stock up for long trips without sacrificing organization. The bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort. A king-size bed with a memory foam mattress and luxury bedding ensures restful sleep. Smart climate control lets you set the perfect temperature, while blackout shades provide complete privacy. The built-in entertainment system allows you to enjoy your favorite media right from bed. There's even a walk-in closet with ample space for clothing, shoes, and accessories, making this motorhome perfect for full-time living or extended travel. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a spa-like design with a full-size rainfall shower, a sleek vanity with LED mirrors, and high-end fixtures. The toilet is a high-tech unit with bidet functionality, and the heated floors add an extra touch of luxury, making this space feel more like a five-star hotel than an RV. Technology plays a major role in the 2025 Blue Bird Luxury Motorhome. A fully integrated smart home system allows you to control everything with a touch of a button or a voice command. From adjusting the lighting and temperature to managing security and entertainment, everything is seamlessly connected. The motorhome also comes with solar panels and a high-capacity lithium battery system, ensuring you have power even in remote locations. Performance-wise, the Blue Bird doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, a powerful diesel engine provides smooth and reliable performance, even on challenging terrains. The advanced air suspension system ensures a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and making long-distance travel effortless. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system make maneuvering this large vehicle surprisingly easy. Storage is another highlight of this motorhome. The exterior compartments provide ample space for all your gear, from outdoor furniture to adventure equipment. An integrated outdoor entertainment system, complete with a large weatherproof TV and premium speakers, makes it easy to host gatherings or relax outside in style. There's even an automated awning with built-in LED lighting to create the perfect outdoor lounge space. For those who love adventure but refuse to compromise on comfort, the 2025 Blue Bird Luxury Motorhome is the ultimate solution. It combines cutting-edge technology, exquisite craftsmanship, and top-tier amenities to deliver an unmatched travel experience. Of course, all of this luxury comes at a cost, with a price tag reaching well into the silver.